Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate PayPal payouts for merchant payouts in the US step by step clearly. To activate PayPal payouts for merchant payouts in the United States, begin by logging into your PayPal business account. Navigate to the PayPal developer's website. If you don't have a developer account, create one by signing up. After logging in, click on the dashboard option. Look for the Apps and Credentials section on the left sidebar. Select Create App to start a new application. Fill in the required details, including the app name and the appropriate business account. Once created, you'll be directed to the App Details page. Take note of your client ID and secret, as you will need them later. Next, enable the Payouts feature for your app. To do this, scroll down to the Payouts section. Check if you have the necessary permissions enabled. If not, follow the prompts to request the Payouts feature. Next, ensure your PayPal account is verified. To do this, click on Account Settings from your account overview. Check for any pending verification requests and complete them as necessary. Now, return to the Apps and Credentials section. Click on your newly created app to access its settings. Locate the Live toggle switch and flip it to on for live transactions. Next, open your chosen coding platform or integration tool. You'll be integrating PayPal payouts using the API with your client ID and secret. Refer to the Payouts API documentation for guidance on coding. Copy and paste the provided sample code into your project. Make sure to replace the placeholder values with your actual credentials. Run a test transaction to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once tested, you can start processing merchant payouts. Monitor your account for any notification or updates related to your payouts. Congratulations, you have successfully activated PayPal payouts for merchant payouts in the US. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.